Welcome back to CarsBinge, your go-to channel for the hottest car reviews and previews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Equinox, a bold refresh of Chevy's best-selling SUV. This model brings a sharper, more athletic design with a wider stance and sleek LED lighting all around. Chevrolet has clearly aimed to modernize the Equinox while keeping its practicality intact. You'll notice sculpted body lines, a redesigned grille, and fresh alloy wheel options. With this update, the Equinox steps up to compete head-on with rivals in the compact SUV market. So, let's break it down, inside, under the hood, and of course, on the road. Step inside the 2026 Equinox and you'll find a cabin that feels more premium than ever. Chevrolet has packed it with soft-touch materials, updated trims, and a redesigned dashboard. Front and center is a larger infotainment touchscreen, paired with a digital driver's display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making connectivity effortless. You also get available ambient lighting and upgraded seat materials for a more upscale feel. Rear passengers benefit from improved legroom, while cargo space remains versatile for family needs. Overall, the Equinox interior feels like a true leap forward in comfort and technology. Under the hood, the 2026 Equinox keeps things efficient but adds a dose of excitement. Chevy offers a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with refined tuning for better power delivery. Expect smooth acceleration paired with improved fuel economy thanks to smart engineering. An available all-wheel drive system enhances traction for those who want extra confidence. The ride quality has been tuned to strike a balance between comfort and sportiness. Chevy also introduces improved suspension for better handling on different terrains. So whether you're cruising in the city or taking a weekend trip, the Equinox feels capable and refined. On the road, the 2026 Equinox proves it's more than just a family SUV. Steering feels more responsive, giving drivers better feedback and confidence in corners. The new chassis tweaks reduce body roll, making highway drives smooth and controlled. Noise insulation has been improved, so the cabin stays quiet even at higher speeds. Advanced driver assist tech, like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, comes standard. Chevy also adds new driving modes for snow, sport, and everyday comfort. In short, the Equinox delivers a calm, composed, and safe driving experience. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox? It's clear Chevy has raised the bar, offering a sharper design, smarter tech, and refined driving. The Equinox now feels more premium without losing its practical everyday usability. If you're shopping in the compact SUV segment, this model definitely deserves your attention. It's stylish, capable, and packed with features that make it competitive for 2026. Chevy has delivered a balanced SUV that blends comfort, performance, and value. That's our take. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to CarsBinge for more reviews.